Want to play GMod with your friends on your own server? Look no further. Here's how to get started with your own GMod server in just a few minutes. First, you will want to head on over to sparkhost.com/gmodhosting. Here you will see a wide variety of different options that you can purchase for your GMod server. Don't want to pay? Pick a plan for a free trial. Simply go ahead and select the GMod 24-hour trial. Then, go ahead and choose your server location and continue with checkout. Finally, you will want to fill in all of your personal information and then go ahead and select Complete Order. After this, you should then receive an email with your login information for your server. You can then go ahead and head on over to your panel. Here you can change the name of your server by going to the Settings tab. You can then go ahead and enter any name that you want for your server in this box. After that, you will want to select Save Changes. Here you can also head on over to the Steam Workshop tab and go ahead and paste in any link of a map that you would like and select Search. It will then find that map and you can go ahead and install it. You can then go to your Startup tab, enter in the name of the map that you want. You can also head back over to the Steam Workshop tab and go ahead and paste in any mod that you would like. You can then go ahead and install this mod. Once you restart your server, both of these should be added to your server.